Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some mighty machines and covering what they do. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. First up, we have the Fire COMBI MFT240. This machine is designed to extinguish forest fires using water or foam. It is powered by a 4-cylinder engine with AGGRE technology that complies with the Stage 5 emission standards. Its computer-controlled hydrostatic drives allow the driver to extract the log in any situation and increase the machine's speed on the terrain when the terrain's conditions allow. The machine features 2 Uniforest winches at the rear, each of which is capable of pulling 11.5 tons. An operator can control the machine from a safe distance using a remote control. Its water tank can hold either 5,000 or 10,000 liters of water. The Fire COMBI MFT240 also has a front blade designed to clear snow or debris. Next, we have the XCMG XCA 1600. It is an all-terrain crane mounted on a 9-axle chassis with 8 driven axles. The crane has a self-folding jib that takes only 2 hours to set up. Also, the 7-section boom facilitates the installation of wind turbines with hub heights up to 140 meters. With its dual-power 8-axle drive system, 6-axle mechanical drive, and 2-axle high-speed ratio hydraulic drive, this crane offers incredible heavy-load worksite transfer capabilities. Moreover, the innovative multi-mode braking system automatically analyzes the machine's driving status when traveling on roadways or during short-distance or heavy-load worksite transfers, optimizing comfort and safety while braking under varied scenarios. Its gradability under high load is up to 30%. The AGGRE SCREED grader comes next. Tech Industries Inc. created this bulldozer attachment for grading gravel on roadways, runways, parking lots, and more. Its width can be changed from 16 to 24 feet to meet the road width, allowing the grading task to be completed in a single pass. It also removes the requirement for stakes while reducing gravel segregation and braking. It can lay gravel at depths ranging from 0 to 15 inches. Reducing the number of passes to achieve the recommended depth results in significant labor, material, and equipment cost reductions. This grader attachment is compatible with any straight blade bulldozer powered by a 125 to 250 horsepower engine. Next, we have the Sealmaster R1. It is an aggregate spreader for tar and chip operations on under-construction highways. It evenly distributes aggregate to specified depths with sharply cut edges. The R1 has an open-type spiral agitator that transports material to the hopper's outer edges. It has a total storage capacity of 1.41 cubic yards and can distribute gravel 10 feet wide over the road. Optional features include a 10-foot wide operator platform, 12 and 24-inch block-off plates for adjusting the spread, a tailgate hook for regulating the flow of aggregate, and a trailer system for towing the aggregate spreader. Arc Major is a public monument located in the Belgian city of Louvain-la-Neuve. It is a large steel sculpture composed of 3 components, each of which is around 60 meters tall. In 2019, these components were required to be moved from the production facility to the construction site. Artsen Group was tasked with ensuring their safe transport and installation, and the company used heavy-duty trucks with lowbed trailers to do this. As they arrived at their location, a 750-ton crane lifted each item off the trailer and precisely positioned it. The artwork is located on a hilltop and is visible from miles away. Its stunning geometric design consists of a succession of curves and angles that provide a feeling of motion and vitality. At least, that's what they say. Next, we have the STEHR 2. It is a grain unloading platform well suited for agribusiness. It enables the rapid and effective unloading of grain from trucks without requiring sophisticated civil constructions or big storage areas. A metal frame supports the weight of the truck and its cargo, while a hydraulic mechanism elevates and tilts the vehicle to dump the grains onto a hopper or conveyor belt. The platform can accommodate various trucks and van types, with a max capacity of 100 tons for grains and 90 tons for other items. Its dimensions of 3 meters in width and 30 meters in length are perfect for most road vehicles. Up next, we have the STEHR UBF90. A German machine manufacturer, Bohrmaschinen GmbH, created this attachment device. It can mill and level the edges of roads and highways and is capable of working with a variety of soil types, including clay, sand, gravel, and asphalt. The machine can also mix additives, such as lime or cement, into the soil to increase its stability and quality. It includes a proprietary cutting technology that enables the cutting width and depth to be adjusted based on the terrain and the desired outcome. The machine can also tilt up to 15 degrees to follow the slope of the road and is driven by a hydraulic motor with a maximum output of 250 kilowatts. The STEHR UBF90 is compatible with any tractor equipped with a 3-point hitch. Giving us even more beautiful machines, STEHR Bohrmaschinen GmbH also designs trench cutter units for tractors. Here the SGF 1300 is seen in action. This trencher can create 1300 mm deep and 350 mm wide trenches. It can be attached to any 260 to 360 horsepower tractor via the PTO shaft. This cutting device can be used globally on existing carriers without any cost-intensive adaptations. The cutting wheel is equipped with carbide round-shank chisels, which do not even stop in front of stones in the soil. Even in the winter, when the ground is frozen to a depth of 60 centimeters, it can be used without any issue. Next, we have the HIMAC Mixer Bucket. HIMAC Attachments, an Australian company, manufactured this attachment tool for skid steers and telehandlers. Due to its self-loading design, the mixer bucket can scoop sand, gravel, and cement from the ground. On its safety grille are integrated bag breakers for the convenience of employees. In addition, the HIMAC mixer bucket is equipped with a hydraulic auger that can mix up to 0.3 cubic meters of wet concrete per minute. Using a flexible chute, the mixer bucket can then pour concrete straight into a formwork, trench, or hole. It is appropriate for small to medium-sized concrete construction jobs. This bucket mixer is available in a variety of sizes, ranging from 100 to 400 liters. The wire saw PD-1500 is up next. It is a state-of-the-art machine that employs a diamond wire to slice through marble and granite effortlessly. It is portable and adaptable since it can be installed on multiple supports and adjusted to different cutting angles. The machine's hinged arc can rotate 360 degrees, enabling it to make horizontal, vertical, and angled cuts. The machine also has a remote control system that allows the operator to adjust and monitor cutting parameters, such as wire speed, tension, and power. The wire saw PD-1500 is excellent for high accuracy and productivity applications in quarrying, mining, building, and demolition. It can cut large blocks of stone quickly and with little waste. Last but not least, we have the Bijol BWS 160FR. It is a forestry skidder designed specifically for heavy-duty logging operations. It is powered by a Dutz industrial engine that produces 115 kilowatts of power and 610 Newton-meters of torque. A hydraulically operated fan with reverse spin cleans the cooler, and a power transfer system provides excellent traction and agility. The skidder can be outfitted with a Uniforest double-drum winch, with a capacity of either 2 by 8.5 tons or 2 by 10 tons. The skidder also has a modular design that makes maintenance and modification simple. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We got plenty more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.